Hello friends, just wanted to give you a heads up. We are out here helping clients get their furnaces to work again because it's been quite a few months since last spring and some people have left their furnaces off for the summer, but they had troubles at the end of last year. So as we all know, it's September right now when I'm recording this video, whether you see it in September or later. Fall is going to linger for a few months, and I just wanted to give you a heads up. Right now we are doing some specials for the fall, and we'd love to get you on board before it gets busy this season. So I'm just over here measuring a job, trying to get the equipment and materials laid out and ready to go. Sorry about the noises, but I'd love to come to your house, see what you guys have going on, and how we can help you be comfortable and ready for winter time. So again, it's Colin with Clean Air Heating and Cooling, and you got our number to call, 360-398-9400, and we would love to see you guys in the next few days. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 360-398-9400.